Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kalpana's Fork and Spoon. Today I am going to share with you one of my simple cake recipe. So let's start with the ingredients. Take 100 grams of unsalted butter, 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence, baking powder, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 100 grams of maida, few pieces of cashew nuts, 2 beaten eggs, 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. First mix the butter well, then add 2 beaten eggs. Mix it well. Cooking time is only 5 minutes and microwave at 100 degrees. Now I am going to add powdered sugar, 100 grams of powdered sugar. Mix well. Now add 100 grams of maida. There should not be any lumps. Now I am going to add little bit of milk to adjust the consistency. Now add 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence. Mix well. Add cashew nuts. Now add baking powder. Add 1/4 spoon of baking powder. Mix well. Now I am going to add this batter to microwave bowl. And we cook at 100 degrees for 5 minutes. Spongy and yummy cake is ready. Now I am going to cut it into pieces. I have added chocolate syrup for dressing. So try this recipe, like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Kalpana's Fork and Spoon. Thank you.